Okay, now we're going to move on to block 11. 11 is the Mosaic Star, which is this block here. If you watch the video for Ribbon Star, which is block 10, I made my flying geese the same way, using the fast flying geese method with the Eleanor Byrne flying geese ruler. So I did the same exact thing, and that is what these look like. So these have already been completed. Hello, my name is TJ with TNG Apparel Designs. If you are new or just watching this video, which is the second video of block of month 1 for the block of the month for the Barn Stars sampler. So since I have already completed my flying geese units, I'm going to go ahead to the half square triangles. Sometimes I use half square triangle paper, but this time I'm going to do the traditional method. I have already drawn a line and down the center, and then I've drawn 2 lines that are 1/4 of an inch away. So I am going to sew on both of these lines, and you're going to make 4 units. So you're going to put your fabrics right sides together. If you were using the fabrics from the Barn Star sampler block of the month, if you were in that for cohort 4, this is fabric 1 or fabric A, and this is fabric 4, and this is fabric B. I'm going to cut them apart on this line. Press to your, well, this says coral, but this is clearly pink. To the pink, which is the B, and then square these up to 2.5 by 2.5. Okay. And these are what those look like. Okay. Next, what we're going to do is make a square and a square. So this is just like block 10, the ribbon star. The middle is another square and a square. So you're going to put a piece on the top right, a piece on the bottom left. So make sure your lines are going in the right direction. As you can see, I've made a line on the back diagonally. You're going to sew on the line, cut this off, and iron back to the A. And then you're going to do the opposite 2 corners. I'm really trying to be patient with my sewing machine. And then that is what that middle block looks like. All right, so now let's put it together. So using your flying geese, you're going to put a flying geese down like this with this flower print next to the burgundy on both sides. And then you're going to do another one like this with your flower at the top. And one like this with your flower at the top on both sides. All right, make sure you are checking the direction in which you are putting your flying geese. Oops. All right, and those are what those look like. All right, now to your square and a square, you're going to add on the remaining two half square, the remaining flying geese to the side. Again, watch if you have directional fabrics. These are not directional, so it does not matter. Hell. What? I am going to scream. I honestly don't know what is going on with this machine. It is not. I think she has ran her course. Now it's just downright irritating. Okay. That's what that looks like. Okay. And that's your square and a square unit. All right, so now let's put the top on, and so we can finish this up. So you're going to put this on the top and this one on the bottom like that. All right. Alrighty. And that is the final result. Looks good. All right. Thank you, and join me for month 2, which will be the Ohio Star and the Windmill Star. See you then.